stock market, we believe true investing is never driven by emotion or impulse. It is built on rigorous logic and data-driven judgment. Link Forex is founded on financial analytical principles, tracking historical patterns, validating market structures, and forecasting trends to help investors develop a more resilient understanding of the market through multi-signal cross-confirmation, combined with behavioral finance insights, industry cycle research, and capital flow monitoring. Link Forex not only shows you what is happening in the market, but, more importantly, explains why it is happening and where it may go next. Investment is never about luck. It is a long-term contest of logic, strategy, and insight. At Link Forex, we unite the strength of individual investors into a powerful force of capital, using data and strategy to synchronize with market momentum, seize key inflection points, and pursue stable, sustainable returns. Link Forex brings investment decisions back to rationality and logic, empowering you not to follow the market blindly, but to truly understand it.